Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga helpful tips natin, especially tungkol sa mga government services like SSS, Pag-ibig, and more. So for today's video, we will have a tutorial on how to file Pag-ibig Calamity Loan online gamit ang mga inyong cellphone or computer, and no need nang pumila sa branch at pumila sa mahabang pila. So, sobrang convenient, di ba? So, ano nga ba ang Pag-ibig Calamity Loan? Ang Pag-ibig Calamity Loan ay tulong pinansyal para sa mga Pag-ibig members na apektado ng state of calamity tulad ng bagyo, baha, at lindol at iba pa. As of now, kung ang lugar ninyo ay nasa state of calamity, pwede kayo mag-apply online via virtual Pag-ibig. So, let's go!
Who can apply? You can apply if you're an active member with at least 24 monthly savings. You live or work in an area declared under state of calamity. Muna ang mga kailangan. Pag-ibig MID number, valid government issued ID, clear scan, copy or photo, selfie na hawak ang valid ID and cash card, and also your cash card. Step 1, go to the virtual Pag-ibig website. And then, click nyo lang yung apply for a short-term loan. Check nyo yung data privacy, then proceed. So, makikita nyo yung available to download yung Pag-ibig Calamity application form. So, naka-PDF file yan, guys. So, ito naman yung guide to fill up the application form. So, ito yung front side. So, yung mga yellow, yun yung mga dapat nyong fill upan. So, dapat is accurate yung mga information na ilagay nyo, guys. Tapos, pa-fill upan yan or pa-pipirmahan nyo yan sa inyong employer. So, yan yung back side. So, number 2 is one valid ID, photocopy or scan copy of one valid identification card. So, kailangan malinaw, guys. Number 3 is your cash card, which can be your loyalty card plus issued by AUB or yung mga land bank na dating inisyu ni Pag-ibig na cash card. So, basta valid lang po. Number 4 is yung selfie photo holding your cash card and also your valid ID. Then, we can proceed na. So, select lang natin yung loan type. So, hanapin natin yung Typhoon Crising Dante Emong Habagat. So, 24 months yung i-apply natin. So, enter na natin yung Pag-ibig membership ID number natin. So, kung hawak nyo yung loyalty card nyo, nandyan yan sa harapan. After that, validate na natin yan. So, lalabas dyan yung mga information natin, guys. So, enter lang natin yung mobile number. Tapos, yung landline natin. Tapos, yung email address natin. Diyan papasok yung mga confirmation kung successful yung application natin. And also din sa mobile number. Tapos, click lang natin yung next. Okay, so magsasend ng OTP sa atin yan. Wait lang natin na pumasok yung OTP sa ating mobile number. Tapos, i-enter natin yung code. Yan. So, enter na natin 3409, then proceed. So, dito, i-enter natin yung cash card natin. Either loyalty card, AUB, or Union Bank, or Land Bank. So, ang hawak ko is AUB. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung cash card number. So, makikita yan sa likod ng inyong cash card. Okay, so check nyo lang ng maigi guys. Para hindi kayo magkamali. Tapos, check card status. So, makikita natin kung valid. Okay, so valid siya. So, we can proceed na. So, kailangan naka-ready na yung mga requirements na i-upload natin. So, upload na natin yung front side. So, nga akin naka-folder na lahat yan. So, yan yung front. Okay, and then, yung back naman or reverse side. Okay, tapos yung valid ID. So, pinicturean ko lang yan. Okay, so ito naman yung selfie photo. Hawak ko yung cash card and yung valid ID. So, dapat malinaw guys ha para ma-approve. And then, submit. Okay, submit your application. Okay. Okay, you have successfully submitted your short-term loan application.
So, that's it guys. So, ganun lang kadali. Super easy and less hassle-free na. So, antayin na lang natin ma-approve ang ating loan. So, it takes days talaga para ma-approve yung ating loan dahil maraming nagpa-file ngayon online. So, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have question, just comment down below or message me at my Facebook page. So, pwede kayong mag-leave ng message doon. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!